In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio not recording in full screen. OBS Studio is a powerful tool that many creators rely on for recording and streaming, but it can sometimes be tricky to navigate. Today, we'll address a common issue many users face: OBS not capturing the full screen during recording or streaming. If you're facing this problem, don't worry. We'll walk through the solution step by step, ensuring that you can get back to producing your content smoothly. First things first, you'll need to open the OBS Studio application. If it's already running, make sure it's fully updated for the best performance and access to the latest features. Once you have OBS open, your main focus will be on the lower half of the screen, where you'll find the Sources box. This is where we'll begin configuring your settings to ensure a full screen capture. Next, you need to navigate to the Sources section within OBS. This box essentially acts as the control center for your recording inputs. Here, you'll be able to add new sources or adjust existing ones to fit your needs. You'll want to select the appropriate source to capture your desired content. With the Sources area highlighted, your next step is to click on the option labeled Game Capture. Game Capture is commonly used for high-performance streaming and recording since it hooks directly into your game's graphics. It's best suited for capturing gameplay that runs in full screen, which is perfect for our needs here. After selecting Game Capture, perform a right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From here, you'll want to navigate to a section titled Properties. This is where we'll dive into a bit more customization to unlock our full screen capturing capabilities. Clicking on Properties opens a new window filled with several options and settings. This is where we make the most critical adjustment for full screen recording. Look for the setting that allows you to select the capture method. You want to ensure that the option Capture Any Full Screen Application is checked. This setting directs OBS to automatically capture any application that runs in full screen, making the process seamless and automatic. Additionally, you might notice an option about choosing the device your game audio plays through. Ensure the correct audio device is selected to ensure that your recordings include all desired audio alongside the visuals. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you should now have OBS Studio set up to capture your full screen without any issues. Feel free to test it out by running a full screen application or game to see the changes in effect. Once you've confirmed everything is working smoothly, you'll be ready to record high-quality, full screen content effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.